October has always been a month of big moves for crypto, a time when the market seems to wake up from its slumber and surprises everyone with dramatic shifts. Historically, this month has been packed with volatility, and traders have learned to expect the unexpected as autumn arrives. And October 2025 is no exception. This year, the anticipation was high, and the market did not disappoint, delivering a wave of action that has everyone talking. After a period of quiet and some scary dips that shook investor confidence, Bitcoin is now leading a powerful breakout, catching even seasoned analysts off guard. This isn't just a small jump. Bitcoin's surge has flipped market sentiment from fear to excitement, and the mood among investors has shifted almost overnight. The famous Uptober phenomenon seems to be back in full force, with optimism spreading fast across social media, trading floors, and online communities. Bitcoin's rally is lighting up the entire crypto landscape, reminding everyone of the technology's potential and reigniting conversations about its future. When Bitcoin rises, it often lifts the whole market, acting as the lead ship in a fleet, pulling altcoins and related projects along for the ride. Now, altcoins are waking up too, and investors are buzzing about new opportunities, fresh projects, and the possibility of another altcoin season. Social media is alive with predictions, and crypto influencers are weighing in, adding to the excitement and speculation about what's next. The big question on everyone's mind: can this momentum last, or is it just a temporary spike before another correction? Investors are watching every move, trying to decide whether to jump in or wait it out. While no one can predict the future, the signs are encouraging. Strong investor interest, positive news cycles, and key tech developments are all fueling the rally. It feels like the market is building a solid foundation for future growth, with more institutional players and mainstream attention than ever before. October 2025 could be the month that kicks off the next major bull run, setting the stage for a new era in crypto history. It's a pivotal time, and everyone is watching closely, from retail investors to Wall Street veterans, all eager to see where the market heads next. The excitement is real, the market's energy is back, and for many, it feels like the start of something big. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, October 2025 is shaping up to be a month to remember in the world of Bitcoin and beyond. To truly understand Bitcoin's recent breakout and what it means for the market, we need to rewind the clock and revisit the dramatic events that unfolded just a few weeks ago. The story begins in early October, a period that would prove to be both exhilarating and nerve-wracking for crypto investors everywhere. Bitcoin surged to a new all-time high, soaring above $126,000 and capturing headlines around the world. But the celebration was short-lived, as the price crashed hard almost immediately after. In just a matter of days, more than $370 billion in value was wiped from the entire crypto market. Bitcoin itself plunged to around $104,000, leaving traders and investors reeling from the sudden downturn. The crash wasn't caused by a single event, but rather a perfect storm. Mass liquidation swept through the market, ETF outflows accelerated, and negative sentiment spread rapidly. On top of that, rising US interest rates added even more pressure, making riskier assets like Bitcoin less attractive in the short term. But despite the chaos and fear, the market didn't stay down for long. The resilience of Bitcoin and the broader crypto market quickly became apparent. By the third week of October, Bitcoin had already bounced back above $110,000, regaining much of its lost ground in a remarkably short period. This rapid recovery was more than just a technical rebound. It was a powerful signal of the market's underlying strength and the deep conviction investors have in Bitcoin's long-term value. Even after such a massive shock, buyers stepped in with confidence, eager to accumulate more Bitcoin and reinforcing its reputation as digital gold. The ability of Bitcoin to absorb a major hit and then rebound so quickly is a bullish sign that shouldn't be underestimated. It's clear that the underlying demand for Bitcoin remains incredibly strong, even in the face of volatility and uncertainty. This wild ride of sharp drops and swift recoveries has set the stage for the current breakout, fueling optimism and anticipation across the market. With this kind of momentum and resilience, the bull market looks far from over, and the next chapter for Bitcoin could be even more explosive. When Bitcoin moves, the rest of the crypto market often follows. This time, altcoins like Ethereum and Solana are showing real strength. Ethereum has reclaimed $4,000 and is gaining momentum ahead of its major Fusaka upgrade. With much of its supply locked in staking, ETF's conditions look strong for growth. Solana is also surging, with its Alpenglow upgrade promising even faster speeds. Investors are pouring into Solana's ecosystem, with over $13 billion in value locked. Other altcoins, Chainlink, Polygon, Arbitrum, are also waking up, each playing a unique role in the crypto world. This broad rally signals a healthy, sustainable market. It's not just Bitcoin's show, the whole ensemble is performing. The altcoin awakening is real. In crypto, whales, those holding huge amounts, can move markets. During October's dip, while small investors panicked, whales quietly accumulated more coins. This strategic buying is a major vote of confidence in the market's future. Data shows whales targeted select altcoins at a discount, helping stabilize prices and spark recovery. For example, whales increased holdings in World Liberty Financial and meme coin Pepe right before rebounds. The sandbox also saw big players add millions of tokens, signaling expectations of a breakout. Whale accumulation often precedes price surges by reducing available supply. For regular investors, tracking whale moves can offer valuable clues. Sometimes, the smartest move is to follow the big money and think long-term. Whales' actions are shaping the next phase of the rally. Their confidence is contagious. The market is watching them closely. Technology is driving much of the current crypto excitement. Major upgrades are rolling out, adding real value and attracting investors. Ethereum's Fusaka upgrade will make transactions faster and cheaper, boosting its appeal. Solana's Alpenglow upgrade will push transaction speeds even higher, perfect for gaming and DeFi. Polygon is overhauling its ecosystem with a new token, POL, aiming for a network of interconnected blockchains. Chainlink is expanding its services and partnerships, strengthening its role as the leading Oracle network. These innovations show the industry is maturing and building for mass adoption. Continuous improvement gives investors confidence in crypto's future. The tech upgrades are more than hype, they're fueling real growth. The foundation for the next wave is being built now. Crypto's regulatory landscape is finally becoming clearer. For years, uncertainty kept big investors on the sidelines. Now, governments and regulators are creating frameworks that legitimize digital assets. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US was a game changer, bringing institutional money into the market. Clearer rules reduce risk and attract trillions in potential capital. These ETFs provide a steady, long-term bid for Bitcoin, stabilizing prices. As more countries follow suit, institutional adoption will only grow. Regulation signals a maturing industry and fosters trust. Thoughtful rules protect consumers and encourage innovation. The friendlier regulatory environment is a major bullish factor. It's helping drive the current crypto awakening. With so much happening in the world of cryptocurrency, everyone wants to know what's next. The market is buzzing with speculation and excitement. Most analysts are optimistic, seeing the recent breakout as the start of a sustained move higher. They believe that the momentum we've seen could be just the beginning of a much larger trend. Many predict Bitcoin could reclaim and surpass its $126,000 high, with some targets as high as $200,000 by late 2025. This bullish sentiment is driven by increasing institutional interest and broader adoption. A more conservative view expects Bitcoin to consolidate between $95,000 and $135,000 before its next leg up. This period of consolidation could provide a healthy base for future growth. Altcoins are also expected to surge, especially those with strong fundamentals and upcoming upgrades. Coins with unique use cases and active development teams are likely to attract significant attention. Altcoin season could see smaller coins outperform even Bitcoin. Historically, these periods have seen massive gains for lesser-known cryptocurrencies. Experts highlight Ethereum and Solana as top contenders for new highs. Both platforms are seeing increased usage and development, making them strong candidates for future growth. Caution remains. Crypto is volatile, and surprises happen. Investors should be prepared for sudden market shifts and potential downturns. Key indicators to watch include ETF inflows, interest rates, and the US dollar's strength. These factors can significantly influence market trends and investor sentiment. A weaker dollar and lower rates are bullish for Bitcoin. These conditions can create a favorable environment for further price increases. Staying informed is the best way to navigate what's ahead. Keeping up with the latest news and market developments can help investors make more informed decisions. The current crypto excitement can tempt new investors into risky moves. Don't let FOMO drive your decisions. Have a clear strategy. Always do your own research before buying any coin. Diversify your portfolio. Focus on established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and add promising altcoins. Diversification spreads risk and balances your portfolio. Stay informed, follow reputable news, watch for major announcements, and track whale activity. Tools that monitor large holders can offer valuable signals. Think long-term. Timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible. Dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, can smooth out volatility. Avoid emotional trading and focus on steady growth. Crypto investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are key. October 2025 has been a turning point for crypto. We saw a dramatic crash, a rapid recovery, and Bitcoin's powerful breakout. The Uptober effect is real, reigniting optimism across the market. Major altcoins like Ethereum and Solana are surging, driven by real tech upgrades. Whale accumulation and clearer regulations are fueling confidence in capital. It's a perfect storm of positive factors. October has reminded investors of crypto's resilience and opportunity. The lessons: watch whale activity, stay long-term, and embrace volatility. Expert predictions suggest this is just the beginning of a new growth chapter. The energy is back, and the possibilities are wide open. October 2025 is a true game changer. The crypto market is awake, energized, and ready to run.